For you runners out there, whether you do it competitively for your own well-being or just for some alone time, we want to provide you the tools to help make the most of your efforts so you can accomplish your goals. That's why I'm here today, to talk about a new and improved way to train on a track with the Track Run Activity Profile. Track Run can give you a better snapshot of your performance compared to running on the road or the sidewalk. This is especially important if you're looking for that competitive edge or trying to reach that latest fitness milestone. On the road, pacing can be heavily influenced by inconsistent terrain and elevation changes due to hills. But on the track, you have more control with easier pacing and more consistency, creating better data when comparing against past workouts. And you may be wondering, well, what makes this Track Run profile any different from just selecting the current run option, getting a GPS lock, and starting the timer? With the Track Run profile, you get improved accuracy from previous track activities, not only in the distance recorded as you run along the track, but with a much cleaner looking track log when reviewing your data. When recording an activity using Track Run, one of the first things you want to determine is which lane you're going to be in. Then select that lane in the profile settings. From here, the watch will lock on to the expected distance for the lane you chose. Lane 1 establishes a baseline of 400 meters for a single lap around the track. If you decide to run in one of the other lanes, the watch will accommodate for the stagger distance. For example, if you select lane 2, you can expect 407 meters per lane, lane 3, 415 meters, and so on. Now, before you begin training, we recommend you give the watch a chance to learn the track to help determine that baseline I just mentioned. When you get to your starting position on the track, select Track Run from your watch menu. Once you've acquired a GPS signal, run at least 2 complete laps around the track in lane 1. Then save the activity to commit the track to the watch memory. If you're unable to train at your regular track, well, no problem. Just be sure to go through this process anytime you run a new track for the first time. By now, you're probably itching to lace up those shoes and get out for a run, but may be wondering where you can find this feature. Well, Track Run is currently available on all of the products listed on the screen. Odds are you'll see it appear in other future watches down the road, or even added to select existing devices through the act of a simple software update. In the meantime, if you'd like more help on how to use this feature, click on the Garmin Support Center link found in the description below. Whether you typically run on your neighborhood streets or just need a refreshing change to your regular routine, if you're ready to crush that previous PR with more concise lap data on the track, take back some control of your training with the Track Run Activity Profile. Thanks again for stopping by and taking time to learn about one of our latest features brought to you by Garmin. For now, that's it. I'm Matt from Garmin, hoping that however you choose to train during your day, we've helped you beat yesterday.